Hello Starknet family, welcome to Mastering Starknet, the tutorial series where we are going to explore several different projects building on this promising scaling solution. I'm Nurstar, your Starknet guide, and today we are going to have an interesting overview of AVNU, a DeFi aggregator whose aim is to offer to its users the best swapping experience on Starknet. But before starting with this deep dive on AVNU, remember to subscribe to our Nurstar YouTube channel. And now relax and get ready for this DeFi ride. Here we are guys, having a look at the AVNU Twitter account, where we can immediately notice that they've reached $50 million in cumulative trading volume since their mainnet launch that happened only 2 months ago. Anyway, let's jump on their website, where they present themselves as the liquidity layer for best execution trades on the Starknet L2. Here you can have a sneak peek of their aggregator platform and of how they provide you with the best liquidity route. But let's head to the dApp itself and try the AVNU experience. Once there, the first thing we have to do will be connecting our wallet. Besides the ArgentX and the Bravos wallet, you can also use the Argent Web wallet that we talked about in our previous tutorial about Unframed. However, in this case, we'll connect through the ArgentX wallet. We can now carry out our first swap on AVNU using the standard swap interface at first, but then I'll also show you the advanced one as well. We give a look at the swap settings before buying some Lords tokens using some Ethereum, and here we switch to the more advanced interface where you will be able to see and choose the best route for your swap. In this case, all the liquidity will come from Jedi Swap. Once we have chosen the swap details and our route, we'll just execute the trade, confirm the transaction and wait some seconds for it to get through. And voila! Our first swap on AVNU has been completed. Nevertheless, I like to show you some more features from this dApp, such as their leaderboard that you can rank up by swapping on AVNU as much as possible, seeing that you are given experience points for each swap you carry out. Moreover, from the upper menu, you can access the FAQ section, which will give you a lot of helpful information not only about AVNU, but also about the overall Starknet scaling solution. Another wise thing to do would be consulting the More section, where you will be able to access the documentation of the project, further information, their socials, and you'll also have the chance to be redirected to the Stargate bridge and to the Starknet Echo dashboard and community, which is powered with love by the AVNU team. Well, before ending our journey on AVNU, let me also suggest you to watch the talk that their founder, Mentor Reka, gave during the recent Starknet CC, whose link will be available on the description of this video on the Nurstar YouTube channel. In this talk, you'll also find out about the possibility of earning some extra money, but just swapping on their protocol, as they don't keep eventual arbitrage opportunities for themselves, but they rather distribute them to the users. Last but not least, you'll also learn about their future roadmap and their motivational motto word, Yalla! So my friends, this was a small but meaningful overview of the AVNU AMM Aggregator. I hope you have learned something new, and let's see how the AVNU team will improve their products in the future. It's now time to say goodbye. Please like and subscribe, and see you the next time. Bye!